Mealy cock, very consistent bird up until third or fourth from the end, where he had a massive accident where he was getting chased by an hawk and he hit the wires, or he just hit the wires, but he came back with a broken leg. Most of his feathers underneath had gone. Lucky actually to be back, but made it back, fixed his leg, and now he's showing top form. Hopefully we'll get him back racing this year, and that's the Mealy Cock. Getting better things from this end this year. She was very consistent last season. Couple of prizes, never won a race, but hoping if we can get a bit further, she might come good further away. She was always just behind the front pigeons, but very consistent. So that's the dark rider. Let's hope we can get a bit more mileage this year. COVID last season, we didn't go above 130 mile with the young birds for the first season, but as we get further away, she'll be more consistent and better for it. Let's start by the blue Erman Cooster Cock. Won with the first race. I think he was third in the second race. Went off the boil for some reason, but was still coming. But then about fifth racing, I lost him, and he come back 2 weeks later, so I decided to keep him back for this season. That's the blue Erman Cooster Cock.